Here's a really quick summary of how blind and private contests work on Cad Crowd. A blind contest simply means that the designer entries that are participating in the CAD design contest will be hidden until the contest ends and is in the judging phase. This is the setting by default. The client, when they post, can adjust the setting to turn off the blind contest feature. When it's turned off, other designers, as the contest is running, will be able to see the other designs entered into the design challenge. Private contest is basically just a contest that cannot be seen by the general public, and a user needs to create a registered user profile on the Cad Crowd platform in order to view those contests. So when you go to the contest page, any of those contests which are private will only show if you're logged in to your user account. Finally, invite-only contests are contests by invitation specifically to certain designers and can only be seen by the client and those individuals. Typically, those invite-only contests go out to some of the top users on the leaderboard, and while it's not the norm, they are occasionally posted. So that's a quick summary. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks a lot.